Good morning. Very good morning. Today I am going to complete second exercise of circles. I hope my sound is audible. My audio is audible, clear sound, and okay. So now I have my book in my hand. I hope you also should have a book in your hand because I am not writing the question on the board. So yesterday we have done up to question number 7. Now we are going to do question number 2. Anika, good morning. We are going to do question number 8. Question number 8 is one of the important question. Actually very few questions are there. So let me draw a circle, okay, and center. I don't know why center is exactly in the middle or not. So a quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. So this is I'm not drawing perfectly, but I draw. Okay, how it is in textbook, I am drawing like that only. And this is P, Q, R, S. Okay. This is the question. Now, circle is inscribed, quadrilateral is circumscribed. So we can use these mathematical words. Circle is inscribed inside the quadrilateral, or quadrilateral is circumscribed. That means outside the circle. So now here tangents are there. Each side of the quadrilateral is a tangent. AB is a side and it is also a tangent at P. So P, Q, R, S, that is the point of tangencies, and AB is a tangent, BC is a tangent, CD is a tangent, and AD is a tangent. So all the 4 sides are the tangents. Okay. So here we have only 2 theorems. Radius is perpendicular to tangent, and tangents from external points are equal. So A, B, C, D are external points. So AP is equal to AS, BP is equal to BQ, like that you can have it, right? So only 2 concepts you can easily apply. So here what we have to prove, RTP. Required to prove AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. This is what we need to prove. Okay. Now let us start our writing. Whatever you know, you write it. So I am writing AP is equal to AS. A is the external point, AP is equal to AS, and BP is equal to BQ. For all these things, same reason. And CQ is equal to CR. CQ is equal to CR. And DR is equal to DS. DR is equal to DS. So for all these things, tangents from external point. Okay, tangent from external point. they are always equal. Okay, so here this is R. So now you take left hand side and split the things. I will take left hand side. Okay, AB and CD. So before you split, check whether I have written it correctly or not. AB plus CD, AD plus BC. Yeah, I am right. So now AB I can write AP plus BP. BP is not blood pressure. Now CD, CR plus DR. CR plus DR. Okay, now I have given AB, CD, split up कर दिया है, right? So now we have to get ADBC. We have to get ADBC means AD is this, we want DS and AS, and BC we want BQ and CQ, but in this they are not there. So now in the place of AP I can write AS. AP is equal to AS. So now I have got AS. Now in the place of AP, AS I have written. In the place of DR, DR is DS. So in the place of DR is I will write DS. So now I got AS and DS. It is nothing but AD. Okay. So now let me see BP. In the place of BP, I will write BQ. In the place of CR, I will write CQ. So now these two things and these two things, AD plus BC. So this is nothing but right hand side. Right hand side. This is how you have to prove. So this type of problems are very important. Now in this a quadrilateral is there, right? Sometimes prove that the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Not in this case. He will give one more condition. Okay. Sometimes he will give that ABCD is a parallelogram. You have to prove it as a rhombus. So that question is already there in the coming problems. Okay. So now let me go to another question. Question number 9. Figure is already given. And in I will write directly I will draw the direct figure. Okay. O is the center and PQ is diameter and XY and X dash Y. XY and X dash Y. X dash Y dash are parallel tangents. Okay, two parallel tangents with the center O. Another tangent is also there. Another tangent. This is AB. And this point of contact is C, and this is O. So there are three tangents in this. One tangent is XY, X dash Y, and AB. Okay. So intersecting and prove that angle AOB, RTP. Angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees. So that means A joined and this is joined, and this you have to prove it X. X is equal to 90 degrees. I will write X. Okay. In the place of AOB, I will write X. Okay. So this is what I have to prove. My target is angle AOB. Angle AOB, I should prove this as 90 degrees. This is my target. Accordingly, we will do. So many good mornings. Sharad Shri, good, thank you. And Hardik, thank you very much. Okay, so now let us jump into the problem. Again, I will tell you there are only two concepts. There are only two concepts. Radius is perpendicular to the tangent, and the tangents from external points are equal. Okay. So now there are three tangents. Let us take A is the external point. I'll use this. Okay. Now we have previously we proved these two triangles are congruent in the proof. Okay, in the theorem. That means to prove AP is equal to AC, we have proved that these two triangles are congruent. Okay, radius, hypotenuse is common, and so by RHS property they are congruent. So I'll write here these two angles are equal. Let me say A and A by CPCT. In the same way, these two triangles are also congruent. Let us say these two angles are also equal. This is B and B. I am making it simple, right? So now we have used tangents from external points are equal. That we have used. Now there is one more information. These two are parallel. That means you have to take either alternate interior angles or corresponding angles or co-interior angles. So now I will say I will use angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees because co-interior angles. That means this entire angle and this entire angle. So that means 2A plus 2B is equal to 180 degrees. So now cancel with 2, A plus B is equal to 90. That means divide each term with 2, therefore A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. So now you see the triangle AOB, triangle AOB, the original triangle. So that means x plus A plus B is equal to 180 degrees. This x, already I have written x plus A and plus B. A plus B already we have got 90 degrees. So x is equal to 180 degrees. So x is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees. So in this I did not teach you that. Good morning, Sakshi, Himanshu. From where are you? I am from Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Good morning, all of you. I hope you are all studying in one school. Okay. So now angle AOB, this is how to prove. In this I did not mention that these two, first step you have to prove these two triangles congruent. Okay. So then you write PAO is equal to CAO is equal to A because I did not mention it, my board is limited. Next, similarly you can write, similarly no need to prove these two triangles congruent because you have proved it on the top, you don't need to prove down. So then similarly you can write CBO is equal to QBO is equal to B, and then you can write this as it is. Okay. So I hope we have understood, right? Let us go to one more question. Question number 10. Question number 10, exercise exercise 10.2 NCERT book, right? So now prove that the angle between the two tangents drawn from external point to the circles are supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the point of contact. Okay. So now in this very important thing is you should be able to draw the figure properly. You should be able to draw the figure. Okay. So, let me draw the figure. We need a circle, two tangents drawn from an external point. We need an external point. P is the external point, O is the center, PA is one tangent external, PB is one more tangent. Okay. Prove that the angle between the two tangents from an external, that means this one, is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line joining the points of contact at the center. Okay, supplementary at the center. That means these two angles, if I say x and y, x plus y is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, x is supplementary to the y, or y is supplementary to the x, and x plus y is equal to 180 degrees. Very very simple. Okay, very very simple. इतना सिंपल है. Now अभी AOBP is a quadrilateral. Okay, now these two angles are 90 degrees. Angle OBP is equal to angle OAP is equal to 90 degrees because radius is perpendicular to tangent. Therefore, sum of angles, angle A plus angle O plus angle B plus angle P is equal to 360 degrees. Angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Angle sum property. The sum of all the four angles is equal to 360 degrees. So, A is 90 degrees, O we do not know why, B is 90 degrees and P is x is equal to 360 degrees. So, x plus y is equal to 360 degrees minus 180 degrees. So, x plus y is equal to 180. So, therefore, x is supplement of y. Very simple. Okay, and important 2 marks question में आने के लिए chances बहुत है. So this is question number 11. Now let us go to question number 12. Okay, again I will tell you, in my description there is a group, WhatsApp group. You can join in the WhatsApp group for updates. I will be teaching physics also. Okay, once this chapter I have already started live chapter. So I am going to teach physics. I am a physics teacher as well as a maths teacher, right? So now in my description there is a WhatsApp group. You can click to join the WhatsApp group, and there are 2 more things are there. MCQ tests, because MCQs plays a very important role in your board examination. आपको अच्छा मार्क्स आना है तो MCQs में you have to put some efforts. So उसके लिए मैंने एक सेपरेट MCQ टेस्ट सीरीज निकाला है, बट वो थ्रू बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू गिव यू हियर. सो आई हैव माई ऐप इज़ देयर, Dear Teacher app is there. It's a learning app. You can join that, and you can at present 2 tests, chapter 1, chapter 2 MCQ tests are available. Right, 30 questions are available in that. You can attempt, only 3 attempts are available. You can attempt those 3, and very soon in the month of December, because I have already completed, in the month of December I am going to give all the 14 MCQ tests, okay, with a very nominal charges. I have to pay to the app management. So a very small, maybe 10 rupees, 5 rupees, like that it will be their cost. So enjoy MCQ tests, right? So if you are having doubts also, you can contact me through WhatsApp or through my app. Okay, my app. So I can help you through my app with free of cost. Okay, so now let us go to question number 11. Question number 11. Prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is rhombus. I told you now. So parallelogram is to be drawn. Let me draw a parallelogram. Yeah, parallelogram is there. This is the parallelogram. Okay, now let me draw a circle. I am trying. I am trying to draw. Yeah, this is the parallelogram. I succeeded. ABCD is the parallelogram. Circumscribe means outside a circle, and we have to prove that this parallelogram is a rhombus. Okay, it is a very similar problem to question number 8. Very similar problem. Okay, now here also point of contacts are there, P, Q, R and S. Now our target is to prove that all the four sides are equal or adjacent sides are equal. So now RTP, you should AB is equal to BC. That means adjacent sides are equal in a parallelogram, then it is a rhombus. Okay. So to prove rhombus, what you should know, there are two conditions. So many people will think that all the four sides are equal. You can prove all the four sides are equal, or because ABCD is a parallelogram, the adjacent sides are also equal. Adjacent sides are AB, BC, or BC, CD, or AB, AD. Side by side sides are, we call it as adjacent sides. So now we have only one concept or two concepts. Okay, in this external point the tangents are equal. So now AB is equal to BC. Now let us say AP is equal to AS, comma, and BP is equal to BQ, comma, and CQ is equal to CR, comma, okay, and DR is equal to DS. This is the thing. Okay. So now our target is because it is a parallelogram, AB is equal to CD. Parallelogram, you can take one property. Parallelogram, AB opposite sides are equal. So AB is equal to, you take CD because opposite sides of a parallelogram. Okay, so AB is how much? AP plus BP is equal to CD is how much? CR plus DR. So now our target is we should get AB is AB only. The other side you should get either left hand side or right hand side. You should change it. ओके CD को BC करना है, नहीं तो AB को AB ऐसा रख सकते, AB को AD भी कर सकते हैं. सो वैसा सोच के आप BC को लाना है. BC को लाना है तो we want BQ and CQ. Okay, we want BQ and CQ. सी आर के प्लेस में हम सी क्यू लिख सकते हैं, सी क्यू आ गया, राइट। एंड वी नीड बी क्यू, बी क्यू मीन्स बी पी के प्लेस में बी क्यू आ सकते हैं, बट हियर डी आर इज देयर, इन द प्लेस ऑफ डी आर, in the place of dr, what I can write, I can write only ds, okay, I can write only ds. So then how let us take the previous question only, okay. So प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन 8th क्वेश्चन में जो है वो भी ले सकते हैं, अदरवाइज बिकॉज इट इज़ नॉट प्रोसीडिंग बिकॉज डी एस इज कमिंग, सो डी एस मीन्स वी वॉन्ट बी क्यू, सो it is again I have to prove this and that, so this way it is getting stopped, okay, it's getting extended. So try another way also, another way, right. So what is another way? You diagonals equal, that is also okay, you can prove diagonals are equal, because if diagonals are equal, even then it is a rhombus. So then okay, OD is equal to OB, OA is equal to OC, like AC is equal to, like that you can prove it, okay. So let us use that way also, let us use that way.